How to get bubble face filter. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to get bubble face filter. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first thing we need to do is just head over to our TikTok app. So our TikTok app is right here, so let's click on that. And then from in there you can see your plus icon on the bottom right here. So let's click on that plus icon. And then after that you can see your camera, and then from in here you can just choose 15 seconds, photo, or text. So for me, I'll choose 15 seconds. Then after that I will just click on effects right here. So let's click on effects, and then from in here you can just choose an effect. So I can just expand it right here. And then from in there I can just click on this search icon, and then from in here let's try to search for pet thoughts. So let's search for pet thoughts right here, and let's wait it to yield some results. So as you can see right here, you can see a lot of things right here. You can choose your thoughts, dog thoughts, thoughts randomizer. So if you have a dog, you can use this dog thoughts right here. So if you click on that, you can just click on this right here, and then you can point your camera at the dog and it will show you their actual thoughts. And then the next thing you can do is you can also try on the cat thoughts or your thoughts right here, which will yield the same results. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to get bubble face filter. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.